In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from Apple Pay on iPhone. By the end, you'll know how to take a payment card out of Apple Wallet, and if you want, clear it from Safari's autofill so it won't pop up on websites. This is helpful if you're switching banks, replacing a card, troubleshooting payment issues, or just doing a little privacy cleanup on your device. First, let's remove the card from Apple Pay. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll see your payment cards lined up. Tap the one you want to remove so it's front and center. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu to open more options. From there, choose Card Details. This page contains settings and information for that specific card. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Remove Card. Go ahead and tap it. A confirmation prompt will appear with a red Remove button. Tap that red Remove button to confirm. Once you confirm, the card is immediately detached from Apple Pay on this iPhone. That means it won't show up at checkout with Apple Pay, and you won't be able to use it for contactless payments or in-app purchases on this device. If you also have the same card set up on other Apple devices, like an Apple Watch or another iPhone, you'll need to repeat these steps on each device. Removing it here won't affect the physical card or your bank account. It simply removes the secure digital version stored in Apple Pay on this phone. If you also want to stop the card from appearing on websites, you can remove it from Safari's autofill as an optional cleanup step. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Safari. Next, tap Autofill, then choose Save Credit Cards. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This is normal and helps protect your information. Find the card you want to remove, swipe left on it, and tap Delete. If you see multiple entries for the same card, you can repeat the swipe and delete action for each one. This change only affects website forms. It won't alter anything in the Wallet app. That's all there is to it. Your selected card is now removed from Apple Pay, and if you completed the optional step, it's also cleared from Safari's autofill on your iPhone. You can always add a card back later in Wallet if you need it again, or keep autofill empty for extra privacy when browsing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.